It was supposed to bear the brunt of severe tropical storm Christine's fury, but then the outer bands of Christine's vast range of storm clouds laden with rain fell a day earlier in Bicol. This, plus the buffer of protected barrier the Sierra Madre Mountains provide against powerful winds, has spared Isabela of the height of Christine's wrath, as we hear Cagayan Valley's Mary Joy Javier.
According to Attorney Constante Foronda, Chief of PDRRMO in Isabela, the Sierra Madre Mountain Range played a crucial role in weakening the strong winds and heavy rains of the typhoon as it moved inland. While some banana trees were uprooted due to the intense winds, most houses and infrastructure remained intact, preventing widespread damage. In an interview with Radyo Pilipinas to Gigarao, Foronda mentioned that the province implemented measures in preparation for the storm, including the immediate evacuation of residents.
Wala rin akong natanggap na untoward report galing sa iba't ibang mga MDRRMOs. Iniintay lang namin yung crop damage report.
IPPO Provincial Director Police Colonel Lee Allen Dowding also confirmed that there were no reported casualties or major incidents. Police officers were also deployed to monitor flood-prone areas, bridges, and roadways to ensure public safety. At the moment, DSWD continues to distribute relief goods to affected families in Isabela and the entire region, while DPWH is also conducting road clearing operations to keep roads safe for residents and vehicles. As the typhoon exits the region, the PDRRMO continues to monitor potential damage to crops. However, significant losses are not anticipated as most farmers had already harvested their crops before the storm arrived. The agency is also keeping an eye on possible flooding in Cagayan, which could cause backflow into Isabela's upstream areas, particularly affecting the towns of Cabagan, Santa Maria, Santo Tomas, San Pablo, and Tumawini. Both the PDRRMO and IPPO reaffirm its commitment in protecting the lives of Isabelenos and maintaining a zero casualty record as Typhoon Christine moves out of the region. From PIA Cagayan Valley, this is Mary Joy Javier, Balitang Pambansa.